Good morning to all. Myself, Professor Neeraj Thakar, Assistant Professor, SIRT, Bhopal. So today we will discuss about the number system. So in this slide, we have to discuss following things. First one is a introduction of number system and conversion binary to decimal and vice versa, and conversion of octal to decimal and vice. So first one is introduction. So a number system defined how number can be represented using distinct symbols. Means a single number we can represent the different types. So a number can be represented differently in the different system. For example, the two numbers 52 base 8 and 42 base 10 both refer to the same quantity, but their representation is different. That means the both number is quantity is same, but the representation is different. So we have to use the four types of number system to represent the different system. So first one, we can see that the number system is four types. First one is binary number, second is decimal, third is octal, and fourth is hexadecimal. So in the binary system, there is a base of 2, that means the radix 2, radix 2. If we have the base 2, that means the only two value possible in this binary system. So maximum digit is possible in this system is r minus 1. That means the base minus 1. The base is 2. 2 minus 1 is the maximum digit of this system. So value possible in the decimal 10 minus 1. That means the largest number is 9. So 0 to 9 value is possible. Octal number system 8 maximum digit we have to calculate by 8 minus 1. That means 7. 0 to 7 digit possible in the octal number system. If we have to talk about the hexadecimal system, then we have to calculate the maximum digit. So 16 minus 1 is 15. So 15 we have to define as a f. That means in the decimal system 0 to 9 system is defined. 10 we have to say that A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, and 15 is F. Okay. So first we have to define the binary number system. The binary number is include only 1 and 0. Another name of binary is base 2. Computer store information in the binary number. It is the building block of all the data. That means the all the digital equipment or digital system are work on the binary number system. In order to understand the storage capacity and size, you need to know how read and save the data in binary. Is the decimal number system. In the decimal number system, you have to use 0 to 9 digit, and the base of the decimal number system is 10. We can see that the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Some digit of this system is 9. So octal number system. In the octal number system, it has the base 8, and one of the way in which we can represent the binary number is to use their octal equivalent instead. This is especially helpful when we have to do fairly compute complicated task using the number. That means the if we have to convert the octal to binary, then or binary to octal, so we have to take the pair of 3, and also we can see that the 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. That means if we get the pair of 3, then we have to get the directly using binary to octal. So this is a conversion of binary to decimal. If we have to convert the binary number to decimal, so we have to multiply the base of that number which used to convert in the decimal. So this is a binary base is equal to 2. So we can count digit from the right to left 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this digit is 1 and multiply with 2 raised to the power 7. This digit is 1 into multiply with 2 raised to the power 6. This digit is 0 multiply with 2 raised to the power 5. So on. So we have to calculate these value and we have to calculate the answer 202 in the decimal. If for example, if there is a two parts, and integral part and fractional part, then integral part calculate as the same we have to see in the above, and the fractional part, in the fractional part 1011. So calculate the digit first 1 and multiply with 2 raised to the power minus 1. Then take 0, multiply with 2 raised to the power minus 2. And 1 multiply with 2 raised to the power minus 3. And 1 multiply with 2 raised to the minus 4. That means if the fraction part is also available, then we have to go the minus increasing power. That means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. But in the integral form, we have to go to higher to lower. That means count the right to left में 3 digit है तो 3 की power आ जाएगी. Then 2 digit है तो 2 की power. Then 1 digit तो 2 की power 1 and last में 0 digit तो 2 की power 0. We have to calculate. So we have to get the answer in the decimal 10.6875. If we have to calculate the number from decimal to binary, so we have to divide the base. Binary base is 2, so divide by 2 in the decimal number. So and remainder is also right. So divide by 2. So 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, and remaining is 1, so 19. So 2 8 ja 19, remainder is 1, and 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, and remainder is 1, and 2 1 ja 2, and 2 7 ja 14, remainder 0, and 2 8 ja 16, remainder is 1, and 2 4 ja 8, remainder is 0, 2 2 ja 4, remainder is 0, and 2 2 ja 1, remainder is 0. So we have to count the bottom to top. So this bit is the MSB bit and this bit is the LSB bit. MSB means most significant bit and LSB means least significant bit. So this is your answer to conversion of decimal to binary number. Conversion with binary to conversion with, you can see that so to decimal. So this is a octal number. We have to convert the decimal. We have to see that the any number to convert in the decimal, we have to multiply with the base of the system. That means if we have to convert the octal to decimal, so we have to take the base of octal system. So you can see that the if you have to multiply right to left or left to right, answer will be same. So we have to take the 5 multiply it to the power 0, or 4 multiply it to the power 1, or 3 multiply it to the power 2. So we have to get 2, 2 and 9. Similarly, we have to calculate the answer of this question, and if we have to calculate the conversion decimal to octal, so we have to divide the base of the octal to the decimal number. So we have to divide the 1, 2, 3, 4 by 8. So we have to get the remainder 2, and remaining digit 1, 5, 2 divided by 8. So we have to get the remainder 2, and 19 divided by 8. We have to get the remainder 3. We have to count the remainder. So 2 divided by 8, so remainder is also 2. So the octal number will be 2, 3, 2, 2. So conversion binary to octal. So we have to take the pair of 2. That means we have to take the pair this 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So we can see that this is a 1, and this is a 0, 1, 0. This is a 2, and 0, 0. If there is a no digit, so we have to consider the 0, 0. So 0, 0, 1. So this is a 1. So we have to calculate directly a binary to octal. This is an octal to binary, so we have to write down the pair of 3, 6. We can write the this is the answer. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 0, 0. 3 के लिए अपन लिखेंगे 0, 1, 1. 2 के लिए लिखेंगे 0, 1, 0, और 1 के लिए 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So I think this is a clear to all. This is a binary system. So this is some question for you. Note down this question and solve this. If any doubt, so please ask. Okay, thank you.